guys, it's Shannon, and I just wanted to come on here and do a quick video for you guys where I'm going to be unboxing my first Birchbox. So I have already peeked inside because when I opened the box that actually came in, the lid was already off. It had like fell off kind of, so I had to like look in it to put the lid back on kind of. So I do kind of have an idea what's in here, but first of all I want to apologize for my appearance. It's been a very long day. I've been to the dentist today, and I had my fitting for my night guard, and been cleaning all day, and I haven't slept lately and it's been a long and hectic day, so apologies for my ugly face. But yeah, let's just get started. So this is what the box looks like. I think it's cute. It kind of has like little what are these? These remind me of some kind of plant from the desert or something. So I guess the theme is hack your summer or something like that. They have like the little sheet here, and then it's got products to do that with. So I'm gonna open it. So what it looks like when you open it, first of all, this box smells amazing. I think it's the shampoo. This is from Davines, and it's the Love Smoothing Shampoo. The full size is $26. And I mean, it smells amazing. What's the scent? Does it say a scent? No. Doesn't say a scent. I wonder if I can use this because I have color in my hair. I don't see sulfate, so I should be able to use it. I don't know. I'll do some research on this before I jump into using it to make sure I can, but it smells amazing. I can't even describe the scent though. It also comes with the Love Smoothing Conditioner, which is a sample, like a bonus sample, and the full size of it is $30. And they both have olive extract, and it nourishes fatty acid to fight frizz. So this is the little sample. I love the packaging. The like little type on it reminds me of like something from Philosophy, and I love the lavender color of it. Alright, what's next? So this I've tried already. This is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. The full size is $25. I got mine, a full size of this, at Salon Centric like a good while ago, and I really love it, so it's really nice to have a little sample size. And yeah, so this will definitely be going in my purse. What's next? This is from Benefit, which I have a sample of this, but I've never tried it, and it's the Professional Pore Primer. This is like a classic kind of product, and the full size varies from $12 to $31 depending on the size you get. So then from Marcel, it's the City 24-Hour Anti-Pollution Day and Night little moisturizing emulsion, and the full size is $24. It's supposed to fight visible effects of pollution like dullness and dehydration in the skin. Seems cool. Excited to try that. Alright, and then this from Ico. It's a brow liner, and the full size is $20. Well, that's interesting. It's like kind of the thing like eyeliner would be in. That's the color. The color's not right for me. This is in medium, I have really dark eyebrows, so yeah, I think that's not going to match, but that's okay. I can save it for my kit. It might just need shaken up. It might be darker. No, that's just the shade it is. But I'll give it a try, and if it doesn't work, I can save it for my kit and use it on some clients. And then the last thing in here is another bonus, and it's the makeup eraser, the original makeup eraser little sample, and its full size is $20. I actually just ordered a little sample of this the other day, so now I've got 2. So, but I'm excited to try that. I've heard some amazing things about that makeup eraser, so I'm excited to try it. But yeah, that's everything in my Birchbox. Pretty happy with it. Seems like some nice products. I'm excited to try some of them. I'm definitely excited to try that shampoo. And yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 4 times a week. And yeah, if you guys have any comments, questions, whatever, you can leave those in the comments down below, and I will reply to every single one of them that I can. And I think that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.